This is Tamira Bell, once again, your favorite PA realtor. But nonetheless, I'm here today at WORC, that is the Women Opportunities Resource Center. They hosted today a commercial real estate boot camp to help business owners purchase and acquire their own commercial real estate so that they won't have to be renting anymore. So it was hosted by Chase Bank. So Chase Bank, they offer a lot of different loans and resources for small businesses and businesses in general to help them acquire their properties. So I hope you enjoy this video and that you learn a lot, and that if you want to get into commercial lending, you want to get your own commercial building, get into commercial real estate, feel free to reach out to Chase Bank. They have boot camps and classes every third Wednesday, I believe. I'm going to check back with that. And then also WRC, they have classes and they have a ton of resources to help you start your business, help you get commercial property, and such things like that. I've been through their program and they're really awesome. So, all right, enjoy. Have a great day.
What I'm going to do is get you ready to have a conversation and get you confident. When we walk in and you fill out this application, you have some background in terms of why you're doing what you're doing. Right now, there's about 4,000 people, business owners around the country, as part of our program. After 4 months, you graduate, but you don't leave us. You're still part of our ecosystem. Right? When you graduate, you get a badge on your LinkedIn account saying, I'm a graduate of the JP Morgan Chase Boost Impact Program. It's all you need.
Goal of the training is to questions in funding, grants, how to apply for those and what's going to structure yourself.
We do primarily lending to the community. We have a relationship with the city of Philadelphia, that's me. We're going to talk a little bit about our relationship. A relationship through the commercial real estate loan acquisition fund program. And that program is something that works with small businesses and entrepreneurs across the city to create wealth. Generational wealth, as opposed to leasing, continuing leasing the property you're in, the commercial property. We help you own that property so that you build equity, you build wealth, you can pass that wealth on to your city.
Sometimes people say knowledge is even better than money, right? You can have money, and if you don't have the knowledge on how you can manage that money, what will happen is you lose that money, like from that power. So that's the reason why an event like this is very important, because you have to get knowledge on how you can.
And CREO is an acronym for Commercial Real Estate Acquisition. This program is developed to help small business owners who are either low to moderate income or they're in the low to moderate income area. This is being
let's be honest, right? So plan and plan as long as you can, and be open with your banker. I mean, who wants to pay someone else's mortgage? What's the market rate? You don't own a home. when I moved to the States and I was a resident for so long, and I said, you know what, one day I want to own my home. I want to have my kids grow up in a place where I call home, like my grandfather and my father did.